morning, Albayanos, fellow co-workers, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome and thank you for your support and presence today as we open the Bicol Regional Hospital Week Celebration 2024. So today, we'll be having a series of equally important activities to celebrate and appreciate these heroes and to show our continued support in achieving our goals towards a healthier Albay and a healthier Bicolano.
Come with me, everybody, take my hand, yes I can, yes I can, yes I can. Yes, I can. I put my hands to the sky in the middle of the night.
It has been a privilege for us to have the opportunity to organize and be the host of the Regional Hospital Week 2024. And it is with a great honor to welcome you all in this province of Albay. Welcome to Albay Matibay.
Oh, 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 oh.
So sana, sa ganitong mga paraan, nagkakaroon po tayo ng avenues para maging mas malapit sa isa't isa at papakita rin po natin at the same time na may unity po tayo rito sa ating rehiyon. To our beloved region, to our beloved province, and of course, the fealty, the deep sense of commitment that we should give our clients, our patients.
Athletes, always remember that winning is good, losing is also good, but it is about learning about teamwork, sportsmanship, discipline, and working together for a common good are the more important things. Sabi nga po nila, we work hard. Diba? Ang mga nasa ospital, ang ating mga health works, we work hard, but we play harder. Ang week-long activity na ini, sana po ma-enjoy nindo. And kung pwede lang baga po, lingawan muna sa mga dakuloy na trabaho sa satuya pong mga hospitals.
Okay, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, dear doctors, nurses, healthcare professionals, health workers, thank you so much and welcome to Governor's Night. Diyos mabalos po, nasa ito ka, boss.
Naway punuin natin ang kasiyahan ang gabing ito at ipagdiwang ang naipanalong laban na lagpasang pagsubok at pagsibol ng bagong kaalaman tungo sa bagong Pilipinas dahil buhay ay mahalaga.
Let us work together to create a safe hospital where every patient is guaranteed quality and compassionate care. Kung saan ligtas Pinas, di kalidad na serbisyong ospital, bawat buhay ay mahalaga. Salamat po.